So guys, remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for new content. So hey guys, so we're back again. So today we're gonna make some Jamaican pepper pot soup. This is another authentic Jamaican dish and we're gonna have that done for you today. So hey guys, so we have all our ingredients ready and we're gonna go and do it today. So guys, notice my Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper is there, so you can't be making a pepper pot soup without pepper. Great guys, so we have our Jamaican cocoa, we have our chocho, we also have some pimento seeds, and we also have our okra, right? So these are some of the ingredients that we'll be using in the dish today, apart from our regular ingredients. And there we have our Irish potato as usual, right? And we also have our Jamaican breadfruit. Great guys, so what I'm gonna do is cut up all the ingredients so we can go ahead and get this started. So see, I've slit my breadfruit in two, so I'm gonna peel just half of that because I'm gonna use half of that today, and the breadfruit is very pivotal to this dish as it gives it body. And there you go guys, I'm gonna put some plantains, some green plantains in our soup today. So great guys, so I went ahead and cut up everything. I cut up my plantains, my yams, my cocoa, my chocho, all of that I cut up today, right? And I've also gone ahead and scalded my pigtail because I'm gonna make it with pigtail today guys, right? You wanna have this scald because you know that the pigtail is a little salty, so you want to get rid of some of the salt. All right guys, so I've gone ahead and I've scalded and I've cut it up. Great guys, so I'm gonna start out by putting the pigtail to boil with some pepper, some skellion, and some thyme, right? And we're gonna let this boil for about say 10 to 15 minutes. Once I let this boil for about 10 to 15 minutes, then I'm gonna add my food in. Great guys, so today I'm gonna make this with spinach. So I went ahead and I picked some spinach, and when it's ready I'm gonna have that cut up so we can put it there. Great guys, so you know, I let that pigtail boil for about 10 to 15 minutes and then I've added my food in. And what we regard as food is our yam or breadfruit, my plantain, my cocoa, my chocho, and all of that. So I cut all of that up and I put that in the pot, and I'm gonna let that boil with the pigtail for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes, right? Because you want to have these cooked. Great, wonderful. So we're gonna let that cook. So while that was cooking, I went ahead and I made my spinners, right? So you know, spinners are our little dumplings that we put in our soup, or soup dumplings. So I've gone ahead and I've made those guys. So I'm gonna add that in, right, to let that boil with our food as well. Great guys, so everything is bubbling up right now and looking wonderful. So you want everything just to get, you know, all the flavors in, all the flavors together. That's what we're doing, and it just smells so lovely right now, right guys? So we're gonna let this boil. As I said, we're gonna let this boil until everything is cooked. Great guys, so what I did was to go ahead and wash and cut up my spinach, and I've also went ahead and I got some coconut milk grated and squeezed. So the coconut milk, I'm going to also add that as well. Great guys, so everything is boiling right now, boiling up lovely. The food is getting there, it's getting cooked. So what I did was to go ahead and add my pimento berries to this because I want to get the flavor in. Great, I've also gone ahead and added my coconut milk to the mixture as well because I want to go ahead and get everything in. You want to get all the flavors together, you want to get all the flavors bubbling up together. So I went in and add the coconut milk, right? And as I said, you add this, you know, a little bit before all the food is cooked. Great guys, So I'm gonna let that boil a little bit more, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my spinach. All right, because you want to get all the flavors in. All right, great guys. So I'm going ahead, and I'm stirring this up. Right, everything is looking wonderful. What I did was to add a little bit more scallion and thyme, and I added another pepper. Originally I started with just one pepper, and I've added a little bit more pepper. As I said, you can add more peppers if you want, depending on how hot you want it or how spicy you want it to be. Great. So I've gone ahead now and I've added my spinach, because you want to let that cook, right? So guys, look at how it looks. And this is a very healthy dish, right? You have your spinach, which is very healthy, your coconut milk, all these wonderful things added together, right guys? So you're seeing everything. You're seeing my spinach, you're seeing my okras, you're seeing the plantains, you're seeing the yams, everything, right? And as I said, it has great body, and this is caused by the breadfruit, right? So the breadfruit gives its wonderful body. Look how thick it is, look how awesome it looks, guys. As I said, this soup tastes lovely and it is very healthy. So guys, what I want you to do is to jump in the comments, right? Tell me what you think about this soup, and thanks for watching.